All right, we're going to check gold medal at 100, and then we're going to do standard velocity at 100. Just see how much drop it has at 100. So I'm going to shoot for the low target, the bottom small dot. Let's get the parallax adjusted first. All right, perfect there. So the small sticky. This is pretty much exactly 2 mils low. Now, we'll do 9 at the small. And it's going to be about a 1/2 mil right. That was the last one, and it didn't eject all the way. Okay, so 1 flyer, and the rest of the group looks to be about just over 1 inch. So that's the gold medal. Now this is CCI standard velocity. I'm gonna move my group impacts. I'm gonna go left with them. I'll go 1 mil left. 1/2 mil. And I'll shoot the top target too. All stuffed up today. That group was about 2 inches, so they're both about the same.